Hello boys and girls, welcome to another beautiful week. I want to believe you had a wonderful weekend. And before we go ahead with our class today, I want to say a very thank you to our mommies and our daddies. Thank you for being there for them. Thank you for making out this time to, assist them with the work. We know it has not been so easy, but in our own little way, we want to say thank you. And boys and girls, we want to believe you've been at the best behavior, helping out in every way you can and not being troublesome to mommy and daddy. So quickly, I know you've been sitting all day. Before we start off with today's class, we want to do something. Now stand up everybody, stand up, stand up. Now we want to spell the word coconuts. And it's a little body exercise that will just get you going. Then we go ahead with our class today. So hands up this way and let's go. We go C-O-N-U-T. Can we do it one more time again? Everybody, let's go. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. And that is coconut. So straight away, we'll go ahead to today's class. And like we all know, I take quantitative reasoning. That's what I take every day. So let's start. Today we are looking at a very interesting topic in quantitative reasoning. And the topic we're looking at in quantitative reasoning today is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division is what we're looking at in today's quantitative reasoning. Like I've always told you, whenever you're given quantitative samples, you first of all take your time to do what? To study it carefully. When you take your time to study it carefully, what's the next thing I said you should do? Label each number. You should do what? Label each number. When I say label each number, I mean you label it with what? A, B, and C. Let's do this. A, B, C. And then A, B, C. Then you know the next step we have to take is to apply the basic operation. But for this particular topic, we already know the basic operation that we're expected to apply here. So you don't need to start racking your brain and like, oh, is it addition? Is it division? No, you don't need to rack your brain. It is just a simple basic operation of what? Multiplication and division. You have multiplication and division. Now, since we know our basic operation that we are applying here, we go straight to the next step. And what is the next step? Remember, I said step 1. Let me put it this way for you so you understand. Step 1, you do what? Label, study your samples. And then step 2, you label your numbers. And then step 3, apply you don't apply, we find out the basic operation. Or identify the basic operation used. And then next step, apply. Operation to decode the samples. Okay, now, so the first step, like I said, study your numbers carefully. then label your numbers, the A, B, C, then you do what? Find or identify the basic operation, that what kind of operation is being used in this work. Then step 4, you do what? Apply the operation to decode the samples. Now, if the operations that you've identified to be what they use in solving this particular sums, then if it's correct, you go ahead with your work. Like I said, you look at it carefully and then you do what is expected of you. Remember I said what we're doing here basically is what? Multiplication and division. How do they get this number? Find out. How do they get C? After you get to find out, then you should be able to find out how they got A and then how B was also gotten. So with this, I want to believe we've come to the end of today's class. Remember, be of the best behavior, maintain healthy and hygienic standards, always wash your hands and use with soap and water. And whenever you're going out with mommy and daddy, remember to wear your nose mask just like this. Oh, okay. You can see I'm wearing mine and I'm ready to go out now. So when I'm going out, it's all just for healthy means. So I wish you all the best. Do have a great day and stay blessed. Thank you. Bye-bye.